Hey, today we discussed personality development. While coming to a certain age, everyone fears for personality development and searches for personality development tips. Everyone has its own qualities and traits which make him, her unique. But still, everyone tries to improve his persona. That's when personality development comes in. There are so many institutes and centers offering crash courses in personality development. Do you have any idea about what exactly personality is and how does personality develops? If you think personality means looking good and attractive, then my friend, you are absolutely wrong. Personality is a very broad term and takes into account the physical as well as the mental state of an individual. No matter where you go, be it an interview or your daily working place, your overall personality plays a very crucial role in determining your success. Now, the question is, how do we develop a personality? This article enlists the most important personality development tips that should not be overlooked. This is the reason why so many people nowadays enroll in personality development programs. But to be honest, you do not need to do all that. Keep one thing in mind, that these institutes do not any magic and will not turn you into a different being devoid of flaws. They merely teach you how to manipulate yourself and bring out the good. This can be done by yourself as well with a little guidance, and you can save your precious money from slipping out of your pocket. These institutes do charge handsomely. I have a few personality development tips that can help you develop your personality within a few days. Following are some of the personality development tips. So, now the question is, how to develop a personality. What helps in the development of personality? In simple terms, personality development is an initiative to improve certain traits and qualities which contribute to your overall personality. No matter what your age is, there is always a space for improvement. Having a good personality can help in your better professional and social life. Let's go to certain important personality developments which will help you to understand how to have a better personality. Personality does not mean that you should have looks. Personality represents the people, how you are. It does not just look that is important and that defines who you are. The personality of an individual is determined by his, her appearance, behavior, attitude, education, values, and some more varying characteristics. Personality defines who you are and how you respond to various situations. It is essential to focus on the personality, which matters the most. Dress up well. Focus on how you should dress up for the office, party, or any other occasion. Wear according to the occasions. Good looks no doubt will add to your personality, but what matters the most is how you are dressed up. It plays a major role in personality development. Each person is unique. Remember that each individual is different and has his, her unique characteristics and qualities. Comparing yourself to others around only increases the distress, especially when you start focusing on where you are lacking compared to others. It is important that you channelize your energy towards your positive traits. So never imitate anyone. Be the one which you are in actual and never pretend. Learn social skills. Only good looking will never be sufficient to take you forward in life or help you in your relationships with people. Instead, hone your social skills. The more success one has in social spheres of life, the better you would feel about yourself. Try to make use of positive gestures while interacting with others, and watch out for your body language too. Do not avoid social interactions. Just because you feel you aren't good looking, do not avoid meeting people. Look for opportunities, go to different events, participate in social gatherings, and be proactive. The more you eschew social interaction, the worse you would feel about yourself. I would suggest you be gregarious. This is also one of the promising personality development tips. Know your positives. If every individual has his or her limitations, then he or she also has positives. These positives are what you need to concentrate on. Know your strengths. Acknowledge them and work with them. It would definitely help you to overcome your challenges and take you into the long run. Get out of your comfort zone. Be prepared to challenge yourself by learning new skills. For most people, it's a huge learning curve to start an online business, so you must have a very positive, open-minded attitude and embrace any changes you need to make. Don't fear failure. Don't worry about making mistakes, you will make loads in your journey and a lot of them may hold you back for a while, but once you've made them, these methods can be eliminated and you can move on. Make yourself known. Brand yourself in all your communications. Whatever content you put out there is a slice of your personality, so make sure it shows you in a positive light. It's you're trying to sell to other people, so the more personal the message the better. Come across as a leader. Whatever you learn and however little you know, use it well. Become an authority on whatever topic you tackle, then you have the knowledge to pass it on to others, and if you put your message across in the right way, you will attract followers. Express yourself and always do what you say. Effort and consistency. This is linked to your daily plan, but it is crucial. Marketing your business every day with relevant and sustained effort is much better than huge bursts of activity once a month. Effort and regularity will win the day every time. Don't give up. I know this sounds like an obvious one to end on, but there are loads of people who literally could have made it through with only a few more weeks or months of effort. They had done everything right apart from seeing it through to success, and it was just that final bit of belief that prevented them. Be funny and don't be serious always. No one likes boring and serious people. Everyone enjoys the company of someone who makes them laugh. Do not beat around the bush just to make others laugh. Try to add fun while having the conversation, others will naturally be attracted to you. Some more good personality development tips at a glance. Keep a smart head and keep cool. Don't copy anyone. Create your own personal style. Don't doubt yourself. Be an active listener. Learn to have patience and focus on your communication skills. Be polite and gentle with your words. Be executive in dress. Don't shout or be aggressive. Be more passionate about your work and be optimistic. Accept and recognize your weak points. Learn to appreciate others. It helps the same qualities to be grown in us too. I hope you have liked this video on personality development tips. Do share your views, feedback or suggestions that we can add up in this personality development tips article. Slightly smiling face. I would love to read your comments.